weight low, except I have to move that train really fast. Hold on a minute! Okay, let go! Boy, that was close. Let's do one more loader, because I kind of missed him up there, not having the train in the right spot. All right, here we go. One more time.
Push it with you.
Green is down.
Press the green button with it. There you go.
Okay, now do the red one. We're gonna bring out the Polar Express. Oh, that looks really good. You two are a good team. Oh, keep going. Let go. There. All right, now everybody come around. Down here.